Welcome to Skiller. Test your Azure Backup and Disaster Recovery skills with MCQs on recovery vaults, failover, and restores. Question 1. What is the purpose of a recovery services vault in Azure? The correct answer is store backup data and replication metadata. A recovery services vault is used to store backups, site recovery data, and manage protection policies. Question 2. What's the difference between recovery services vault and backup vault? The correct answer is backup vault is newer and supports Azure RBAC integration. Where backup vault supports RBAC, resource scoped access, and is the newer vault type for backup management. Question 3. Which tool is used to define retention and backup schedules? The correct answer is backup policy. As backup policies define how often data is backed up and how long it is retained. Question 4. What is the minimum backup frequency supported in Azure VM Backup? The correct answer is once a day. Azure VM Backups support daily schedules using built-in backup policies. Question 5. Which tool do you use to restore a deleted Azure VM backup? The correct answer is Recovery Services Vault Backup Items. Use the Recovery Services Vault to restore VM snapshots via backup items. Question 6. What is Azure Site Recovery, ASR, used for? The correct answer is disaster recovery for VMs and workloads. ASR enables disaster recovery by replicating workloads to another Azure region or on-prem location. Question 7. What's a planned failover in Azure Site Recovery? The correct answer is manual failover with no data loss, used for DR drills or migrations. Planned failover is used for testing or maintenance, with no data loss and graceful shutdown of source systems. Question 8. Where can you set alerts for backup failures or restore events? The correct answer is Backup Vault Monitoring and Alerts. Alerts are configured under Monitoring and Alerts in the Backup or Recovery Services Vault. Question 9. Which log source helps analyze backup job history and performance? The correct answer is Backup Reports via Log Analytics. Where backup reports integrate with Log Analytics to analyze job trends, failures, and backup health. Question 10. What's required to enable Azure Site Recovery for a VM? The correct answer is Recovery Services Vault and Replication Policy. To enable ASR, you need a Recovery Services Vault, a replication policy, and supported target region. Like, subscribe, and share to keep learning with Skiller.